who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
My son pays attention when his father corrects him, but an arrogant person never admits he is wrong. Good people will be rewarded for what they say, but those who are deceitful are hungry for violence. Be careful what you say and protect your life. A careless talker destroys himself. The word of the Lord. Thanks be to God.
Brothers and sisters, dear teachers, sisters, and my dear children, today the nation celebrates 80th Independence Day, and we proudly stand before this flag. And every year, as we celebrate the Independence Day, it is a reminder to all of us that we always stand for justice, and it reminds us as citizens of India, we need to be proud of an Indian who fought for our freedom, and today we are enjoying that freedom, and we continue our struggle in order to make our nation a country where justice and freedom reigns, where our citizens are able to express our freedom, and we march towards a country that is prosperous, where we live as brothers and sisters in spite of our differences in religion and our culture. We are all Indians, we are all brothers and sisters. Let us continue that and be proud of that. We continue to serve the nation with pride and with sincerity. We continue that. I wish all of you a happy Independence Day.
Order!
We will disperse and we will go to the hall, okay? For the program.
2026 15 August nili ha Saint Joseph School along si iri sumar okoryang atumbang kilun kikan kilang dut apo sila kilang dut mesan lo hay katum tadulo teketum tadulo lahay kala kedupo
Pardon, my name is Mirjam. I'm from Dolamara Ministry. I study in class 8. My hobby is singing and dancing. Thank you. A very good morning to one and all respected judges, Father Mini, Sister Lila, and all my present here. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, Chalendra P, the sister of 8. I'm 13 years old. I'm from Dolamara. My hobby is dancing, and my life is to become a modeler. Thank you. A very good afternoon, everyone. Respected our chief guest and our guest of honor, our respected Principal Father Benny, and Mrs. Sister Lila, brothers, sisters, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Hermelin Rahampi, standard of 8, and I am from the Kramrongham village. My aim in life is to become a modeler, and my hobby is dancing. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone, respected judges, and all the beautiful Jewish ladies and gentlemen present here today. My name is Gloria Senior P from Dolamara. I'm studying in St. Joseph High School with a standard of 8. I'm 14 years young, a girl who dreams of to become a wonderful modeler, and my favorite modeler name is Kendall Jenner, the one who inspired me, and my hobby is dancing. Thank you. Good afternoon to one and all respected father, sister, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nurjulia Murphy with a standard of 7. My hobby is dancing and my aim in life is to become a lawyer. Thank you. Good afternoon, everyone. Respected judges, Father Benny, Sister Lida, teachers, and all my dear friends.
My name is Monjur Hamsi. I'm studying in class 7. My hobby is singing and my annual life is to become an air hostess. Thank you.
Hello, Mirchili.
Hi, Miss.
So my question to you is, what is one fashion trend you would never try? What is one fashion trend you would never try?
Sorry, Miss, I cannot answer this question.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, Manjir.
Hi, sir.
Okay, you said you want to become an air hostess, right? So name any airlines in India. Name one airline.
I don't know.
There are so many. Indigo, Air Asia, Air India.
Okay, thank you, Mirchili. Sorry, Monjir. Hello, Esther.
Hi, Miss.
You look beautiful with this dress.
Thank you.
So my question to you is, can you describe your dress?
This is Assam Meghla Sadar dress.
Thank you.
Hi, Bisco. Your dream is TV, right? Okay. So, can you say the 5 clans of Karbi? 5 clans of Karbi? Karbi Kurpo, Budumati, Karbi Kulong, can you name them?
Bijang, Ijang, Ronjang, Tunjang. Bijang, Ijang, Ijang, Tunjang, Ronjang.
There is one clan that is called Hansan. Can I make those right? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Hello, Jerlyn.
Hi.
So my question to you is, if you were a fashion designer, what would you design first? If you were a fashion designer, what would you design first? Do you know what is fashion designer? Who designs clothes?
Yes.
So if you were a fashion designer, what would you design first? What would you design first?
The traditional dress.
Okay, thank you.